In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Odoo website donation program and see how it works. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Now, let's look at the workflow. First, in the Apps section, make sure our module is installed. Then, navigate to the website, open the Donation menu, and select Donation Program. Here, you can see that one donation program has already been created. To create a new donation program, we first need to create donation causes. Navigate to Donation Causes and click the New button. Now, create a new cause. For this demonstration, I'm creating medical supplies. Next, select the product associated with this cause. In this case, I'm selecting the medical supplies product that I created earlier. For this donation cause, enter a description and upload a cause image. After that, click the Save icon. Now, if you navigate back to Donation Causes, you'll see a list of all the available causes, including the one we just created. Next, let's create a new donation program. Navigate to Donation Program, click the New button, and enter a name for the program. Next, select the website where you want this donation program to be displayed. Then, choose the donation causes that will appear on the website, allowing users to donate to the cause of their choice. For this donation program, I'm selecting Food and Clean Water, Shelter and Emergency Relief, and our newly created Medical Supplies cause. You can select any number of donation causes for the program. Next, enter a description. In this case, I'll paste the description. Then, upload an image for the donation program, which will be displayed on the website. Finally, enter the banner text that will appear on top of the banner image. For the banner text, you can choose a color and customize it according to your requirements. After that, click the Save icon. To make the donation program visible on the website, click the Inactive button to activate it. Once activated, the donation program will be available on the website. The donation program is now active on the website. Please note that only one donation program can be active at a time. Now, navigate to the website, open the My Account section, and scroll down to the Donate button. Click on it, and you will see the banner image, banner text, and all the donation causes that were added to the donation program. The first cause is Food and Clean Water, which we selected while creating this donation program. To make a donation, first select a donation cause. Then choose one of the predefined donation amounts or enter a custom amount manually. After that, click the Donate Now button. If the customer wants to donate to another cause, they can select an additional donation cause, enter the donation amount, and click the Checkout button. As you can see, the customer is donating a total of $2,700 to this donation program. Next, click Confirm, enter the payment details, and click the Pay Now button. Once the payment is completed, you can see that the total donation amount of $2,700 has been successfully paid. This is how customers can donate any amount of their choice to a particular donation program. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.